Hello and welcome to another edition of Marc Saves. Today I'm going to be using the Merkur 34 razor again with a Polsilver Blade in there. I just put it in and I'm using the lather and wood shave soap. This is a really good product. I put a little too much water in here to begin with, so I have a lot of extra lather today. But it is a great product. Go ahead and get started. I already wet my face and everything, so. And it has a good smell to it. It's not overpowering. It comes out really nice and even. Makes for a really good surface. Again, you see me, I'm working in the circular motions. Try to get best coverage on the hairs. You want to lift the hairs up off of your face. Alright, that feels pretty good. Let's go ahead and get started with the razor now. Again, Merkur 34 with the Polsilver Blade. This is the first day I'm using this one. Make sure I'm in the video here. And hopefully my phone won't fall today. Boy, this stuff is really nice. Makes for a very smooth surface, very easy to glide on. I tell you what, the more I'm using this 34, the better I'm getting with it. And I really like how I don't get razor burn with it. Yeah, you can still see me. Again, if you're thinking about doing this, go ahead and do it. These are great products. They make for a great shave. They make you feel really good by the end of the day too. Because you're not all burned up and your hair's not pulling out. Alright, well, pass number one with the Polsilver Blade. The Polsilver Blade is really a good blade too. It's one of my favorites because you can use it many times. This is the only blade I've ever been able to use more than 3 times. Looks like I got everything pretty good on the first pass. Really good sharp blade. but it's not uncomfortable. It's not a feathers blade kind of sharp. I'd have to check the price on this lather and wood soap. It was moderately priced. It wasn't too expensive, but wasn't necessarily cheap. But it's a really good product. And it lathers very, very easily, and it gives you a very good lather. It makes for a very nice smooth shave. All right, pass number 2. We'll go against the grain this way. And you'll find the directions you need to shave once you get doing it a little more. And what works best for your face. See, now I go on my neck, I go up and down. Just really impressed with this lather and wood. I've never really had that much success with Perasso soaps. Not saying they're bad. I know they're very popular with a lot of people. I never had any success with it. I couldn't get a thick kind of lather like I can with this one. It would always be too stringy. Alright, there's pass 2. Feels really good. We're at 8 minutes. We're almost done here. Feels really good on my neck and everything. Again, I have very, very coarse hair, so it can be a pain sometimes for me. Alright, third pass against the grain this way on my neck. And hopefully my power don't go out. It is raining like cats and dogs outside right now. Nine minutes, about 10 minutes. And people give a bad name to this because it's kind of small, but it works very good. Really good balance point in the handle. Alright, we'll see how that was, and if I have to make a task for touch-up. Sure, I probably do. Again, this is day one with that Polsilver Blade, and my face feels great. It cuts so good. This is one of my favorite blades. Perma Sharp is probably my favorite, or in this one. I mean, they're just so close together. We'll make one more pass, just a little touch up. And again, I'm really happy and pleased with this soap. It's a wonderful soap, great smell. Remember, once you get these angles with the blades, you can get going pretty fast with it. Be honest with you, take your time when you're first getting the hang of this, and make sure you're getting good cuts, because you don't want to dig down, because then you will have razor burn. All right, that should wrap us up. Got under my chin pretty good, pretty decent. At 12 minutes now. And get under my chin a little bit better. Got it that time. And if you don't have shave soap on it, you don't want to run the blade over it too many times. All right, well, that'll wrap us up for today. It's really a great product. We'll see how many days I can get out of this Polsilver Blade. Actually, I'm only going to use it probably 4 days at the most. I just assume put a new blade in before it goes bad, because they're only 10-20 cents. They're a little more expensive. These are 30 cents a blade, but if you get 3 shaves out of them, they're the same price as basically the other blades you're buying. So, and today, again, I used the Brute Aftershave. So that'll wrap us up for today. I used the Merkur 34 razor. Great shave, wonderful shave, nice close, no cuts, no irritation. Used the lather and wood soap with a Samode brush. Great product. I really recommend you to try it. And if you're thinking about getting into wet shaving, go ahead and do it. It's a lot of fun, and you'll be very happy that you did. All right, y'all have a good day, and tune in tomorrow.